I'll make this video short. I'm going to show you how to get free training when you sign up with me with Save Club and my team. Okay, I want you to join a team. I want you to join me, of course, and I'm going to help you every way I can. And proof is, who else has done 400 or 500 videos in like 30 days just with Save Club? Your boy here, Cory, with the old Hummer hat, okay? So let me shrink down a little bit. Now, joinsaveclub.org. This is the official way to, join. Okay, just write that down. Check it out, joinsaveclub.org. And we'll get back to this funnel here in just a little bit. Okay, let me take you to the back office. I'm just going to show you this real quick. When you log into Save Club after you joined, you see where it says training right here? Right there. Okay, I want you to click that link. And this is where all of our free training is located. And boy, is it good. You're going to dig it. This video right here. It's only like a minute. You don't have to watch it. See the marketing materials button, that little orange one? That's right. Click it. And guess what? You're going to open up this page right here. And you got a ton. I'm talking hundreds, if not thousands of videos that you can use. Go through every single one of these folders, hit those little black buttons, and do you see where it says download right here? Download all of our videos made, pictures, banners, animated GIFs, those little videos and short videos, long videos. We have everything already made for you because we know that you're probably going to run out of ideas or not even make any pictures or videos at all. Don't worry about it. We even have a training tab. Guess what? That shows you how to do everything like upload to TikTok. Right here, how to upload to LinkedIn, how to find Facebook groups, how to post on X or Twitter, how to tiki-taki. Even at the bottom here, Facebook training. All of this is so cool. Look at this, foodie post to copy. People love to save money on food, drink, teeth, gasoline, diesel. You guys drive? Me too. How about going to Walmart, Lowe's, Taco Time? How about Papa John's? How about, oh my God, what is it? Frosties at Wendy's. Oh my God, there's tens of thousands of deals already in Save Club. It's going to just be millions over the next 3 to 6 months. Now, if you live in another country, just relax. We're going to be there too. It takes time because we're only 17 days old, guys. It's June 17th of 2025 as I produce this. Just relax. We're going to get there. But I wanted to show you that after you join, you're going to log in to saveclub.com. Go to that training tab and just relax. We got your back. We got an insane amount of free marketing materials. No, we're not charging. There's nothing for you to buy except a funnel. And if you want a nice 20-minute video to do all the recruiting for you, and I mean overkill, it explains everything, look at saveclubfunnels.com. Click it. Check it out. That exact page, that exact video is yours. And after people watch that darn thing, if they want to join, then yes, they'll get a link to join you in Save Club. But let the funnel do everything. It's only $25. If you don't want it, then don't get it next month. But I think you should join Save Club. It's $80, $79.97 to be exact, and the funnel system's only $25. So it's a pretty darn good deal. Okay. All right, guys, there's my links right there. Thanks for your time. And that's it. So in 4 minutes, you can see how I've been able to sign up over 100 and something people. Okay. Pretty darn good. It puts me number 7 in the company right now worldwide. And on top of that, I've saved about $900 and I've made over $1,000 a week the last month. And the funnel systems put about $1,200 cash in my pocket too. Because that's right. The funnel system pays $20 per sign up. And that is every single month that somebody keeps that funnel coming in. I have no doubt that $3 to $4 to $5 grand a month is going to come in just on the funnel, aside from the income that Save Club's going to bring me, okay, along with saving you money. Now, I can't promise to the T what you're going to make financially, but if you keep this fun and just invite people every day, either through a business card, TikTok, Instagram, maybe it's Facebook, you just have to promote and upload things. And then people can click, and maybe they'll watch that video. And maybe they'll join. Somehow you've been watching me for 5 minutes. I want you to do exactly what I do and my team does. Okay? All right, guys. Thanks for your time. And get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Glad to help you if I can. I'll make you a video if I can. And on top of that, I'm done. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, you guys, you take care.